When patient comes in, we'll do a case history, find out a little bit about their experience, their history with anything like tinnitus or vertigo, ear infections, any history of seeing an ear doctor. Then we'll do the diagnostic evaluation. So they'll go in the booth and they'll listen to beeps and words and repeat back things for us. Then we go over the results with the patient. We start discussing with them their options as far as hearing devices. I don't have a hearing loss, so oftentimes you hear people say, well, you don't understand because you can hear fine. But I do understand on the point of view where I have been that voice in those ears for someone who needed it, that's sitting here completely frustrated. The children that bring their parents who need the help. I think it's just given me a level of empathy and compassion.